How to recover a permanently deleted Facebook account. But first of all, let me show you how to delete your Facebook account. For that, you need to open your Facebook and go to your settings, and here tap on this gear icon. After that, go to Account Center, and here go to Personal Details, and here Account Ownership and Control, and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on your account and delete your account. Tap on Continue. After Continue again, and choose one of the reasons why you are deleting your account. I will just choose this reason. I no longer find Facebook useful. Tap on Continue and tap on Continue again. After that, read the terms and tap on Continue again, and re-enter your password. After entering a password and confirming your deletion, you'll get a notification saying that you can recover your Facebook account for 30 days, but after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So what you can do to recover it, you just need to recover it. What you need to do is just go to the sign in page of your Facebook, login page on your Facebook, and enter your password and enter your email and password, and then just tap and login. That will automatically recover your permanently deleted account, but only for 30 days. But after 30 days, you can't recover your permanently deleted account. So be sure before deleting your account permanently. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.